All right, so I got about half a turn out of that, and I cranked it. Pump, Scotty, pump.
I am. I haven't stopped.
Oh, Daddy, keep pumping. So,
Me pump you long time.
wait a minute. So we're looking good here. I'm gonna check our wheel cylinders. Wheel cylinders on the rear, everything's looking good. Our soft line with a crush washer, our two hard lines, our T, everything's nice and dry now. I'm gonna go up to the front. I don't see any staining or drips other than what's on the floor from what was leaking earlier, what we spilled. But rolling.
Keep that purple rolling. Rawhide.
You should have said raw dog. That'd be even funnier.
Oh, yeah, you know.
All right, so pump me, Scotty. Okay, I see a drip here. Hang on.
Where?
Left front. Oh, something dripped up. Okay, well, we're dripping at that T up here in the front where the brake switch is.
Okay.
So hang tight. Let me tighten these. Oh, got a little bit out of that.
Because there should be 2 metal, 1 hose.
Okay, well, I'm tightening all this here
Okay.
because we're wet. Are you wet? Because I am.
I'm all wet. Wipe me up, pup.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, so that's better. Hold on. Let me go up to the other T here where we're leaking. Where yeah, the little T on this edge,
Right?
on the left front corner,
Oh, the one that does the double metal?
it's leaking from metal. Oh, yeah, and then the crossover, it's leaking from the one that the input side.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I got like almost a whole...
I love it when somebody double checks me because I'm not perfect.
Yeah, we've seen your fucking picture. We know.
Hey.
All right, I'm going to tighten the other one. Oh, yeah, there we go. I got a little bit out of that.
You might want to get the ladder and fill up the master.
I will. Hang on. Okay, everything there looks good. Let me go check the other side, the corner. And then that should be every connection from what I've seen. And this hard line goes right in the hole. Yeah, we're good there. There's nothing leaking. Go ahead and pump me, big boy.
Oh, huge difference.
Is it like getting firm now?
Yeah.
Scotty, is it getting hard? All right. I have something dripping somewhere. I need to bring it down and look. I hear the fluid moving.
I hear it.
All right. Hold it down.
Down.
Obviously, there's still enough air in there where we can... It ain't fucking working yet. But give me some pumps. Excuse me. Okay, there's no additional drippage down here, so I'm actually going to let you down.
I say use the ladder.
No, I'm going to let you down because I'm fat and I don't like ladders. Don't give me that look.
I can hop out without. Just get the ladder over here and I'll do it and then we'll fill it up. And then I'll climb back in again.
Just hang tight.
I love you too, bitch.
Hang tight, bitch.